Lastly, let's look at example 11. Scores on a standardized college entrance examination, or CEE, are normally distributed with a mean of 510 and a standard deviation of 60. A selective university considers for admission only applicants with CEE scores over 650. Find the percentage of all individuals who took the CEE who meet the university's CEE requirement for consideration for admission. So again, let's notice it's normally distributed, but our mean and our standard deviation are not 0 and 1, so we have to convert them over to the standard normal distribution. All right, and this time we're looking at scores over 650. So we're looking for a greater than problem. And recall when we had the greater than problem before, we had to look things up on Excel, and then we had to subtract the probability that we got from 1. And we're going to do the same thing here after we convert. All right, so let's convert our mean of 510 and our standard deviation of 60, and then we have 650 as our score. So go back here and let's just ignore what we had here for the last problem, and we're going to put in 650, oops, parentheses here, 650 minus 510 divided by the standard deviation of 60. And 650 minus 510 is going to be 140 divided by 60. And if I put that into my calculator, it's going to give me 2.333. Repeating decimal there. All right, so let's look up 2.333. So again, I'll just ignore this other stuff I've put in. Equal norm dot s dot dist and 2.333 and true, and that gives me that probability. Now remember, our problem was a greater than problem, so we want to subtract this from 1. So the actual probability we're looking for is 0.0098. And there we have it.